organization has a compliancy requirement to protect servers from clients. However, the clients and servers all are reside on the same layer 3 network. Without readdressing IP subnets for clients or servers, how is segmentation achieved? Option A. Change the IP address of the servers while remaining on the same subnet. Option B. Deploy a firewall in routed mode between the clients and servers. Option C. Change the IP addresses of the clients while remaining on the same subnet. Option D. Deploy a firewall in transparent mode between the clients and servers. Correct answer is option B. Next question is network traffic coming from an organization's CEO must never be denied. Which access control policy configuration option should be used if the deployment engineer is not permitted to create a rule to allow all traffic? Option A. Change the intrusion policy from security to balance. Option B. Configure a trust policy for the CEO. Option C. Configure firewall bypass. Option D. Create a NAT policy just for the CEO. Correct answer is option B. Next question is what is a characteristic of bridge groups on a Cisco FTD? Option A. In routed firewall mode, routing between bridge group is supported. Option B. Routing between bridge groups is achieved only with a router on a stick configuration on a connected router. Option C. In routed firewall mode, routing between bridge groups must pass through a routed interface. Option D. In transparent firewall mode, routing between bridge group is supported. Correct answer is option A. Next question is a Cisco FTD device is running in transparent firewall mode with a VTEP bridge group member ingress interface. What must be considered by an engineer tasked with specifying a destination MAC address for a packet trace? Option A. The output format option for the packet logs is unavailable. Option B. Only the UDP packet type is supported. Option C. The destination MAC address is optional if a VLAN ID value is entered. Option D. The VLAN ID and destination MAC address are optional. Correct answer is option C. Next question is with Cisco FTD software, which interface mode must be configured to passively receive traffic that passes through the appliance? Option A. ER-span. Option B. Firewall. Option C. TAP. Option D. IPS only. Correct answer is option A. Next question is an engineer is monitoring network traffic from their sales and product development departments, which are on two separate networks. What must be configured in order to maintain data privacy for both departments? Option A. Use passive IDS ports for both departments. Option B. Use a dedicated IPS inline set for each department to maintain traffic separation. Option C. Use 802.1q inline set trunk interfaces with VLANs to maintain logical traffic separations. Option D. Use one pair of inline set in TAP mode for both departments. Correct answer is option D.